There's a rumor going round about me and you, stirring up our little town. Last week or two, oh, tell me why we even tried to deny this feeling. I feel it, don't you feel it too? There's a rumor going round and round and round. What you say we make it true? What you say we make it true? Hey everybody, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Rumor by Lee Brice, you guessed it. So this is a super easy song to play. One thing I like, there's no capo on it, so that's great. Standard tuning. It's just, you know, it's raw guitar. I like it. So if you like these videos, please subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new ones, and please hit the like button too if you enjoy it, so that I know that you like it. All right, anyways, let's get into it. All right, like I said, no capo, standard tuning. You can use a pick or not. It's going to be very easy strumming. So you're going to use 4 chords throughout this song, okay? And they're the same order, I think, the entire time, if I remember right. But we'll go through this. So you do D. All right. So if you can see that, you do D, D, A. All right. That's going to be a little bit hard to see, but A. Okay. Then you do E. So that's a very easy transition. You're also going to do F sharp minor. All right, so that's going to be like this. And it's supposed to be a bar chord, so on the 2nd fret you're supposed to bar it, and then you're supposed to put your ring finger on the 4th fret on the A string, and you can put your pinky on the 4th fret on the D string as well. That's how you're supposed to play it, is like that. If you have a hard time barring, don't bar it. Just put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the big E string. Okay, and that'll sound good. All right, so you don't have to bar the whole thing, but that's an easy way to do it. There are some tabs I've seen that use like B minor 7. I played it like that. I don't think it sounds right, so I'm not going to use that one. So the chord progression is super easy. So throughout the song, it's going to be day F, and then day. All right, so D A E, F sharp minor, and then D A E. That's like, and then you just keep cycling through those, okay? So let's get into it. I'll show you here with the first verse. So the intro is just gonna be D, A, E minor, F, D, A, E minor. Okay, then, so you do that, and you go through, and the strumming on this is D. So I'm going down, up, down, or down, down, up, down, okay? So you can do either one of those. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Sorry, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 okay? That's the strumming like throughout the song. Okay, I would recommend playing it softer when you're doing the verses, and then kind of get louder when you do the chorus, and then when you do the bridge, you're going to want it to be a lot louder as well. Okay, so it's D. Girl, you know I've known you for, so known, you do A, known you forever, and then E is how many nights have we, and then you go to F sharp minor on we hung out together, and D, same little crowd, little bar is A, bar, little town, E, round this old dance floor. My boys are laughing, so D is my boys. Now, I'm not going to go through, in past videos I have done that, where I've gone through and said like, this is where you do this one for each this is where you do each chord for each word in the verses and chorus. I'm not going to do that throughout the whole verse. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to, if that's better, if it helps you learn more. But I feel like the videos got a little bit long, just like an extra 2 minutes longer or something. You didn't really need it to be. So let me know if you would like me to do that. So again, though, remember you go D, A, E, F sharp minor, F sharp minor, okay? And then you go D, A, E. And that's like the entire song. So then when you get to the chorus, you're going to do exactly that. So you're going to go, there's a rumor going round. So you do, on D is when you do rumor. There's a rumor going round. And on round you do A, about me. E is me. me and you. And after you do the F sharp minor, okay? And you go stirring up a little town. So on up you do a downstroke, a downstrum on D. Stirring up a little town. And at the end of town you do A. Town. About me and you. Okay, so that's the D, A, E, F sharp minor, and then the D, A, E. Okay, and then you repeat that. So you'll go through that sequence twice, and then at the end of that, I guess you'll do it 3 times total for the chorus, but you're gonna do it twice with the main lyrics, and at the end you'll go, what you say we make it true? What you say we make it true? And you play it once silent, or without any lyrics. Okay? Then you're gonna go into the second verse. Now the second verse, it's exactly the same. If you're playing this acoustically, just by yourself, you can still play the D and the A. However, in the song, the recorded version, he doesn't have any guitar playing there or any instruments. All right, he might have like a very slight like drum or something, but there's like pretty much no guitar or anything. So it would be D, like D, A, E, F sharp minor. Okay, but you skip the D and the A because you're not singing during that first line. So you would say, well, I could shut them down, tell them all the crazy. I can do whatever you want me to do, baby. So you wouldn't come in until E if you're skipping those. Either way is totally fine. If you're playing by yourself, you might want to have them, but it depends on like the crowd and the situation and stuff. So just kind of make it fun. So you would do that just like normal though. Okay, so think of it like if you're not playing the chords, think of it like they're there. So you'd say. You would go like D, A, and then you would come in on E. Okay. And then you would do D, A, E, and then you go back into the chorus. So if you play the first D and A, you would be playing it through twice. The D, A, E, F sharp minor, and then you would play D, A, E, and then you go into the chorus again. Okay. So then after you play the second chorus, you're going to do D. So you play this twice. Once. You just play the D, A, E, F sharp minor, and then you do D, A, E. Okay. Then this is where you would get louder normally. Okay. This is the bridge. So in this song, that's what he does. Oh, be honest, girl. Now, do you wanna do this or not? Should we keep them talking, girl? Should we just make them stop? Okay. Then you're going to mute after that. So that's the same chord progression. It's the D, A. So it's be honest, girl, now do you wanna? So on do you wanna? Let's see, be honest, girl, now do you want to do this or not? Okay, so you're going to do that. You're actually going to skip the F sharp minor here. So this is the one time where it's not exactly the same chord progression. Okay, so then you're going to go. You're going to start with D. Should we keep them talking, girl? Or should we just make them stop? So you're just going to do D, A, E, D, A, E on this one, all right? There's no F sharp minor on it. And then after stop, you're literally going to do that, okay? You're going to say stop and mute it. Then you're going to go into the chorus again, but this time, again, it's the same chord progression, I think, but he doesn't play any chords here. So you'll go D, you would go D, A, E, F sharp minor, and then D, A, E. However, you're going to skip the first part of it because you're doing it without the guitar. If you want to play it with the guitar, that's great too. But then you would say, there's a rumor going round about me and you, stirring up a little town the last week or two. Oh. Okay. And then you're going to play D, A, E, F sharp minor, D, A, E, yeah, and that's the whole song. So if you have any questions, let me know. It's a really easy song to play. Again, like it's the 98% of it is the same chord progressions. So super, super great. But let me know if you have any questions about it, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks.